Hello everybody, let's make this beautiful flower using these plastic spoons. Cut it like this and make the petals by pasting all the spoon in this circle using hot glue gun, and look, it is ready. Roll a foam net and paste it at the center. Now make its leaves by folding this green craft paper. Make multiple folds like this and paste it using double-sided tape. Now paste all the flower, leaves and twig on it using hot glue gun and it's ready. Let's make this colorful hot air balloon. Let's make it. We are making the base from this plastic cup. Paste earbuds around it. Now we are also pasting this brown clay around it like this, and look, it is almost ready now. Then we are going to put this ball inside it. We are putting and covering it using fairy light like this and paste tape around it, and look, it is ready. Now paste double-sided tape on it and paste colorful clay balls around it like this, and look, it is ready and it is glowing. Look at these cute little children. Let's make it. We are going to paste these colorful balloons on the sheet of paper, and then we are going to put round clay balls to make the face of the children. Now paste different animal things, like we are pasting the eyes, bunny ears, and then draw the legs and hands of the children. Now we are going to make the clouds using white clay. Add more details like this, and look, it is ready. Look at this cute little lion. Let's make it. First we are going to make the face using the clay. We are making the round yellow clay and make the face. Now dab all the grass together on it like this, and look, it is ready. Look at these dragonflies. Let's make it. Tie 4 corn husks together like this using a thread and start braiding them together. Hold all the 4 pieces and start braiding them like we are doing here. Then we are going to make the body and wings using another piece. Cut it and give it shape using scissors, and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.